Create an e-commerce store. Set up an e-commerce store and use drop shipping or print-on-demand services to sell products without handling inventory. Install solar panels. If you own property, installing solar panels can generate passive income through reduced energy bills and potential sales of excess energy to the grid. Write a book. Publish a book on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and earn royalties from book sales. Buy royalty interests. Invest in oil, gas, or mineral royalty interests, and earn a portion of the profits from resource extraction. ATM ownership. Purchase and operate ATMs, earning a small fee for every transaction made. Licensing software or digital products. If you have developed software or digital products, license them to other businesses for a fee. Vending machines. Placing vending machines in strategic locations can generate passive income through sales of snacks, beverages, or other products. Create a mobile app. Develop a mobile app that solves a problem or entertains users. YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel and earn money through ad revenue, sponsored videos, merchandise sales, and channel memberships. Affiliate niche websites. Build niche websites focused on specific topics and promote affiliate products or services to earn commissions. Invest in business ventures. Consider investing in startups or small businesses as a silent partner or angel investor. And use drop shipping or print-on-demand services to sell products without handling inventory. Invest in business ventures. Consider investing in startups or small businesses as a silent partner or angel investor. High-interest savings accounts or CDs. These accounts provide passive income through interest earned on your savings. Or software, you can earn royalties from sales and usage. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on sales generated through your referral links. Creating online courses or digital products. Develop and sell online courses, e-books, templates, or software that can provide income over time. Drop shipping. Run an online store without stocking inventory. When customers purchase products, you forward the orders to a supplier who handles shipping. Automated online businesses. Create websites. High dividend rights. Real estate investment trusts' rights can provide high dividend yields, offering a passive income stream from real estate investments. It's essential to remember that while passive income can be lucrative, it often requires initial effort, research, and risk-taking. Additionally, passive income isn't entirely set it and forget it. Some level of monitoring and management may be necessary to ensure the income stream remains profitable. Always do thorough research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals before making any investments. High-yield savings accounts. Look for online banks that offer higher interest rates on savings accounts, allowing you to grow your savings passively. Real estate crowdfunding. Participate in real estate crowdfunding platforms where you can invest in larger real estate projects alongside other investors.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for you. Earning passive income means generating money with minimal ongoing effort or active involvement. While it's possible to create passive income streams, it usually requires upfront work and investment. Here are some popular methods to earn passive income investments: investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds can provide passive income through dividends, interest, or capital appreciation. Rental properties. Owning and renting out real estate properties can generate passive income through monthly rental payments. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper or Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses. Dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide regular income in the form